Welcome to CREATA classes. In this lecture, we will cover the proof of theorem, that is Asa Congruence rule. Okay. As per this theorem, two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to the two angles and the included side of other triangle. Okay. As per the theorem, for two triangles having two corresponding angles and in between side as equal, the triangles will be congruent to each other. Okay. Let's prove the same. Let's take two triangle ABC and triangle DEF, in which angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, and BC is equal to EF. That is, two angles and the included sides are equal for both the triangles. We need to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay. We have done the axiom, that is SAS congruence rule. If we somehow able to prove that AB is equal to DE, then through SAS rule, we can say both the triangles are congruent to each other. Okay. So our focus here is to prove AB is equal to DE. We can have three cases between AB and DE. Either AB is equal to DE, or AB is greater than DE, or AB is less than DE. Okay. Got the point? Only three cases are possible with AB and DE. Either both are equal, or AB is greater, or AB is less than DE. Okay. Only three cases can be formed. We will take all the three cases one by one and we will examine the same. Let's take the first case, that is AB is equal to DE. Now what do you observe? Here AB is equal to DE, that is we have assumed. Angle B is equal to angle E, that is given. And BC is equal to EF, that is also given. Okay. So by SAS rule, our triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay. In the case when AB is equal to DE, we got triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay. In the second case, that is AB is greater than DE, let's assume a point P on line AB such that PB is equal to DE. Okay. We have just assumed a point P on the line AB and this length PB is equal to DE. Okay. Are you able to observe this triangle PBC? Observe that in triangle PBC and triangle DEF, PB is equal to DE, that we have done by the construction, and angle B is equal to angle E, that is already given, and BC is equal to EF, this is also given. Okay. So we can conclude that by the SAS axiom, triangle PBC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay. Both these triangles are congruent. Since the triangle are congruent, their corresponding parts will be equal. CPCT, corresponding part of the congruent triangle, are equal. So angle PCB will be equal to angle DFE. Okay. But we are given that angle ACB is equal to angle DFE. So angle ACB will be equal to angle PCB. Okay. We have compared both the equations. Okay. So we got this angle ACB is equal to this angle PCB. Is this possible? Visually, this is not possible. It is looking something incorrect. Okay. But this can be possible only if point P coincides with point A. That is, both the points are coming at the same point. Okay. Means point A and point P are the same. So we got AB is equal to DE. So by SAS axiom, our triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay. So in the second case, we got both the triangle as congruent. Let's move to case number 3. That is AB is less than DE. Here DE is greater. Let's take a point M on DE such that AB is equal to ME. Okay. We will repeat the same thing. Let's observe the triangle ABC and triangle MEF. AB is equal to ME, that is by construction. Angle B is equal to angle E and BC is equal to EF, that is given. So by SAS rule, both the triangle are congruent to each other. Okay. Since the triangle are congruent, their corresponding part, that is CPCT, angle ACB will be equal to angle MFE. Okay. Corresponding parts are equal for the congruent triangle. But we are given that angle ACB is equal to angle DFE. So we got angle MFE is equal to angle DFE. So again, is this possible? Visually, this is not possible. It is looking something incorrect. But this can be possible only if point M coincides with point D. That is, both the points are coming on the same point. Means point D and point M are the same. Okay. So we got AB is equal to DE. Again, we will apply SAS axiom. We got triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay, in the third case again, we got triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay, this is the proof of the theorem. So we have done the Asa congruence rule. That is, two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of the triangle are equal to the two angles and the included side of the other triangle. Okay, that's it for this lecture. Visit us at creataclasses.com. Link is given in the description. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you very much.